Hi guys, in this one we're going to go over the balloon attack for Town Hall level 7. So let's jump right in and get to the strategy for this one. So the strategy for this one is going to use 10 minions, 28 balloons, 32 to 40 archers. This depends on if the clan castle is easy to lure. If it is not easy, you want to use 4 wall breakers to get it out instead. 3 rage spells, clan castle balloons, and the barbarian king. So interesting thing about this one, the enemy Barbarian King is not even something you have to consider because the Barbarian King cannot attack the balloons. It can only attack ground-based units. So we only need to clan castle for this. Using a kill squad in this one is not necessary as it would be a little bit too much investment for not enough gain. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the strategy. So the first thing we want to do is use the wall breakers to lower the clan castle. Then take the clan castle troops to the corner and deal with them there. Alright, so this next step, you want to deploy the balloons. Then behind them you want to deploy the minions. The reason you do this is because the bases are getting to be a size at this point that it might still be a time fail if you have to have the balloons take out all the cleanup as well. What this does is it has the minions start on the cleanup early, so there's a lot less cleanup when the base finishes, and you're doing it behind the balloons so they don't get attacked by the initial defenses. Now another key part about this is the angle you have your balloons come in, you want to watch the air sweeper, because if you have them coming into this air sweeper, the air sweeper will push them back and make them take damage longer, which could be long enough for all the balloons to not make it through the entire base, especially with air defenses doing so much damage so quickly. Alright, now after we get the balloons going in, we want to use the rage spells on them so they move throughout the base fairly quickly, taking out things before they can do much damage to the balloons. Once the balloons make it through the remaining defenses, you want to place your Barbarian King to help with the cleanup. And again, as in the other attacks, watch out for builder huts on the corners. But this one specifically, since the balloons are slow and you don't have too much cleanup, you want to make sure they get taken out before the rest of the base is cleared, because if you have to go back to the corners, it's a very high risk of a time fail. Alright, and that'll be it for this one.